The versatile almond. A nutritional powerhouse, almonds, revered for centuries for their nutritional value and versatility, have firmly established themselves as a beloved ingredient in cuisines worldwide. From their crunchy texture to their rich flavor profile, almonds offer a plethora of health benefits and culinary possibilities. Let's delve into the world of almonds and uncover why they have become a staple in many diets. A brief history. Almonds have been cultivated for millennia, with their origins traced back to regions around the Mediterranean and Middle East. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, valued almonds not only as a dietary staple but also for their symbolic and medicinal significance. Over time, almonds spread across continents through trade routes and colonization, becoming integral to various culinary traditions. Nutritional profile. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. A 1-ounce serving, about 23 almonds, provides approximately protein, 6 grams fiber, 4 grams healthy fats, 14 grams, predominantly monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E, 37% of the daily value, DV, magnesium, 19% DV. Phosphorus, 13% DV. Additionally, almonds are naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fats, making them an excellent choice for heart health. Health benefits. 1. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and fiber in almonds contribute to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds' combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats promotes feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management and controlling appetite. 3. Blood sugar control. Almonds have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to stabilize blood sugar levels. 4. Bone health. Almonds are a good source of magnesium and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Culinary uses. Almonds lend themselves to a multitude of culinary applications, both in sweet and savory dishes. Some popular uses include snacking. Enjoying raw or roasted almonds as a convenient and nutritious snack. Baking. Incorporating almond flour or chopped almonds into cakes, cookies, and bread for added texture and flavor. Cooking. Using almond slices or slivers to garnish salads, stir-fries, or pilafs. Dairy alternatives. Creating almond milk, almond butter, or almond cheese as dairy-free alternatives in various recipes. Sustainability and almond farming. While almonds offer numerous health benefits, concerns have arisen regarding their environmental impact, particularly in regions with intensive almond farming. Almond cultivation requires substantial water resources, leading to debates over water usage in drought-prone areas. However, efforts are underway to improve almond farming practices, such as implementing water-efficient irrigation techniques and promoting sustainable agricultural methods. In conclusion, almonds stand as a testament to the intersection of culinary delight and nutritional excellence. Whether enjoyed as a wholesome snack, a flavorful addition to dishes, or a dairy alternative, almonds continue to captivate taste buds while nourishing bodies. With mindful consumption and sustainable practices, almonds can undoubtedly retain their status as a cherished ingredient in the global pantry for generations to come.